Good morning, children. Today we will start with the next topic of data representation, that is tally marks. Sometimes to count the number of items that we have, we use tally marks, wherein numbers are represented in the form of lines, small lines, and those lines help us to count the number of items. Let us see how numbers are represented as tally marks first. कभी कभी हम लोग आइटम्स को या नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स को काउंट करने के लिए टैली मार्क्स यूज़ करते हैं. टैली मार्क्स छोटी छोटी लाइंस होती हैं जिनको हम बना के काउंट करते हैं. दैट हेल्प्स अस टू कीप अ काउंट ऑफ द थिंग्स और काउंट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डेज. ओके, सो let us see how this tally marks works and how the numbers are represented in tally marks. First, number 1. Number 1 is represented by a single line. Number 2. Number 2 is represented by two small lines. Number 3 is represented by 3 small lines. Number 4 is represented by 4 small lines. Number 5 is represented by 1, 2, 3, 4 small lines and one slanting line. This slanting line is the fifth line. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines. So 5 is represented by 4 straight lines and one slanting line. I repeat, 5 is represented by 4 straight lines and one slanting line. For number 6, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one will be slanting line. And again we will start 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it easy? Yes. For 7th, again you will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth will be slanting line and then 6 and 7. As soon as you reach a bunch of 4, you have to tie them. Understand this. जैसे ही 4 हो जाती है, make the slanting line, okay? Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't put the slanting line at 9, okay? Slanting line you will put only when there will be one more number, okay? Then it will be 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After every 4 numbers, if you get the next number, then you have to put the slanting line. So this is how you will represent the numbers as tally marks. 1 as single line, 2 as 2 small lines, 3 as 3 small lines, 4 as 4 small lines, 5 as 4 straight lines, 1 slanting line, 6 as 4 straight lines, 1 slanting line and 1 straight line, and so on. Okay. Now let us move on to the question. Exercise 12.3. Question number 2. Wherein you have 30 children who voted for the monitor of the class. The following results were obtained. Now in a class there are 30 children. एक क्लास में 30 children है और उन्होंने वोट किया कि हमारी क्लास का मॉनिटर कौन बनना चाहिए. ये सारे उनके वोट्स हैं कि किस किस ने क्या क्या वोट किए. नेक्स्ट है इन कैंडिडेट्स एंड बेस्ड ऑन दीज वोट्स वी हैव टू फिल द टेबल. इन द टेबल व्हाट इज रिटन? नेम्स, टैली मार्क्स एंड नंबर ऑफ votes. Names, tally marks and number of votes. What are the names? Deepak, Anita, Rakesh, Salma. ये 4 candidates हैं जो पूरी क्लास में से मॉनिटर बनने के लिए कंटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. These are the 4 candidates who are contesting for becoming the monitor. Now they have all got certain amount of votes which we have to count and write down the tally marks, and then we will count the number of votes. On the basis of that, we will answer the following questions. Okay. The 30 children हैं आपकी क्लास में जिन्होंने वोट किया है इन 4 कैंडिडेट्स के लिए. ओके, तो हम इनके वोट्स काउंट करेंगे, उनका नंबर नोट करेंगे और उसके बेसिस पे हम ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर करेंगे. So let us start. First is Deepak. Let's see how many votes did Deepak get. Can you get a good view? Yes. So first is Deepak. Can you see in the first line? No. Second line? No. Can you find here Deepak? Yes. So Deepak got here 1 vote. Okay. Next. Another one. So this will be second vote. Then here third vote. Then again, where do you see Deepak? Yes, here. So fourth vote. Then this one I'll cut it. As soon as I'm making the tally marks, I'll go on cutting it so that I don't get confused. मैं इसको उसी टाइम काट दूंगी ताकि मेरे को आगे confusion नहीं हो. Okay? Salma, Rakesh, Anita, Rakesh. Here, Deepak. One more. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, what I will do? Like this. So he has got basically 5 votes. So I will write down here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 votes. Understood? Now same we will do for Anita. We will make the tally marks for Anita. As in we are going on counting. Anita, first vote. Then Anita, second vote. Then Anita, third vote. Anita, fourth vote. After this, again Anita, fifth vote. Now fifth vote will be like this, right? After fourth one. Then Anita, again seventh vote. Then again here Anita. And last one. So again after 5, 4, I will make one slanting line. So how many does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many votes does Anita have? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anita has 10 votes. Okay. Now let us talk about Rakesh. Rakesh has 1 vote, second vote, third vote, fourth vote, here fifth vote. So for fifth, what I will do? Draw slanting line. Then can you see Rakesh? Here sixth vote, then seventh vote, one more, eighth vote. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then Salma. Let us see how many votes does she have. 1 vote, second vote, third vote. This line's gone. Here fourth vote. Then you have here fifth vote. For fifth vote, I'll draw a slanting line, okay? Then you have here sixth vote. And where do you have Salma? Here, seventh vote. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4 slanting line. That is 5, 6 and 7 votes. How many votes did she get? 7 votes. Now based on this, we have to answer the questions that follow. This is easy. Just have to count, make the tally marks and count the number of votes. Now next is, who was elected as the monitor of the class? The first question, who was elected as the monitor of the class? Now who will be the monitor? The person who gets the maximum votes. Monitor कौन बनेगा? जिसको maximum votes मिले. So let us see who got the maximum votes. Here, can you see who got the maximum votes? सबसे ज़्यादा votes किसको मिले हैं? अनीता. तो जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा votes मिलते हैं वही monitor बनेगा, right? So who will be the monitor? Anita. Why? She has got maximum votes. सबसे ज़्यादा votes अनीता को मिले हैं 10. So who was elected as the monitor? Anita. Anita has been elected as the monitor. How many votes did he or she get? How many votes did she get? Anita, how many votes did she get? Anita got 10 votes. So Anita got 10 votes. How many more votes did she get from his nearest rival? From his or her nearest rival. How many votes did she get more from his or her nearest rival? Means अगर अनीता को 10 votes मिले हैं तो उसका सबसे बड़ा कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है? जो इसका सबसे बड़ा राइवल जिसको इसके जस्ट क्लोजेस्ट वोट्स मिले हैं वो कौन है? दैट इज राकेश. दैट इज राकेश. अगर राकेश को थोड़े वोट्स और मिलते तो वो मॉनिटर बन जाता. तो अनीता का राइवल कौन है? राकेश. हु इज अनीताज राइवल? Rakesh. And how many votes did he get? 8. And how many more did he get from Anita? The question is asking how many more votes? How many more? That means Anita से कितने ज़्यादा मिले? Anita को राकेश से कितने ज़्यादा votes मिले हैं? Anita को राकेश से कितने ज़्यादा votes मिले हैं? Anita का closest competitor is Rakesh. Anita's closest competitor is Rakesh. How many more votes did she get from Rakesh? So 2. He got 8. She got 10. So how many did she get more? 10 minus 8. That is 2. अनीता को राकेश से कितने ज़्यादा वोट्स मिले हैं? इसको 10 मिले हैं, इसको 8 मिले हैं. So how many more did she get? 10 minus 8. That is 2. Right? Next. Who got least votes? Who got least votes and how many? सबसे कम votes. Who got least votes? सबसे कम votes किसको मिले हैं? Least मतलब सबसे कम. Who got least votes? Correct. Deepak. And how many? 5. So who got least votes? I have here Deepak. And how many did he get? Only 5. So this is how you work when you have been given information. First you make the tally marks, you write the numbers, and then you answer the questions based on this table. Okay, so this is a very easy question that I have done here. Now for homework, what you will be doing, you will be writing down the tally marks in your notebook as well as doing exercise 12.3 question number 1 as homework. Okay, so that's all for today, and with this we come to the end of this chapter. In the next session I'll be starting with a new chapter. Thank you.